Welcome to Azaan Construction. Your go-to destination for premium interior inspiration and cutting-edge design ideas. In today's video, we are diving into the stunning world of modern TV wall designs, showcasing a perfect blend of functionality, aesthetics, and luxury. The featured setup in this video is more than just a television wall, it's an elegant focal point that enhances the entire atmosphere of your living space. From the sleek concrete panel backdrop to the warm wooden textures, everything is crafted to reflect sophistication and calm. As we walk you through the various elements, you'll notice how the soft lighting embedded in the shelves adds a cozy and ambient glow, making the room feel inviting and relaxing. The use of natural materials like wood and neutral-tone textiles brings a sense of harmony and balance, ideal for those who want a minimalist yet luxurious vibe. Pay special attention to the seamless integration of storage with open and closed compartments, offering both style and practicality. The floating shelves, artful decor placements, and subtle use of greenery complement the design without overpowering it. This video will guide you through every aspect of this setup, from material choices and lighting to layout strategies, giving you ideas you can apply to your own home. Whether you're renovating your current living room or building a new home from scratch, this modern TV wall design offers timeless beauty and high-end comfort. Stick with us through the full video to explore all the tips and ideas that Azaan Construction brings you, aimed at turning your interior into a masterpiece of modern design. As we continue to explore this remarkable setup, let's talk about how every detail has been carefully chosen to create a sense of luxury while maintaining warmth and comfort. The wooden cabinetry beneath the television provides ample storage space, allowing you to keep your entertainment devices, books, and accessories organized and hidden away, contributing to the sleek and clutter-free appearance. The concrete panels serve not only as a modern design element but also provide an industrial chic texture that contrasts beautifully with the smooth wooden finishes. The shelves flanking both sides of the TV wall aren't just functional, they're an opportunity to showcase your personality. Whether you decorate them with books, ceramic vases, minimalist sculptures, or soft lighting, they help set the tone for the entire room. The integration of natural light from the large windows further enhances the aesthetic by highlighting the natural textures and soft color palette. The soft, earthy tones of the furniture and rug harmonize effortlessly with the wall unit, creating a seamless transition across the space. As you sit back on the spacious sectional, you'll feel the comfort and tranquility that this design aims to offer. The lighting scheme plays a critical role too. Recessed ceiling lights and warm shelf lighting work together to create a layered and ambient environment, perfect for both day and night use. We encourage you to watch closely as we break down each design element, sharing tips on color coordination, materials, and lighting tricks that elevate the entire room. At Azaan Construction, we believe that every home deserves to feel both beautiful and functional, and this modern TV wall setup is a great example of that philosophy in action. Now, let's delve deeper into the functional aspects and how you can adapt this design to suit different room sizes and budgets. One of the most impressive things about this setup is its versatility. Whether you live in a large urban apartment or a compact house, this type of wall unit can be customized to fit your space perfectly. You don't need an enormous budget to achieve a similar look. With smart choices in material and lighting, you can recreate the same ambience and style in your own home. The modular nature of the storage units means you can adjust the configuration to suit your storage needs, while the wall-mounted TV maintains a sleek and modern silhouette. Another element worth noting is how this design embraces biophilic principles. Incorporating natural elements like plants and earthy tones helps create a connection between the indoor environment and nature, which studies show can improve mental well-being and relaxation. The inclusion of natural lighting, soft curtains, and outdoor views also supports this design philosophy. Throughout the video, we'll also give you insights on how to maintain such a space, ensuring it remains beautiful and tidy over time. From choosing durable materials to organizing cables and electronics, we cover it all. This space isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. With Azaan Construction by your side, you'll have the knowledge and inspiration to make thoughtful choices in your home design. So stay with us till the end, as we bring you a complete breakdown of this luxurious modern TV wall design, one that can transform your living room into a space of elegance, comfort, and modern charm.